Hello friends, today we will discuss about variables in C. Now let us consider this expression x assignment operator y plus 2. In this expression the possible values of x and y are when y is 0, x2, when we put y1 then we will get x3, when we put y2 then x4, y minus 1 then x1 and so on. It means the value of x may be 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, minus 1 and so on. That depends on value of y. So in general, here in mathematics, this x is what? This x is a variable. Similarly, in C program, when we talk about variable, so variable is what? Variable is capable to hold a value or a data item which may vary or which may change during program execution. It means at one point value of x may be 2 and after 3 or 4, third statement this may becomes 4 or and so on. So variable is what? Variable which may vary or change during program execution. In C program, before using the variable, first we have to declare it. Now the question is, what is the need of declaration? Why we declare the variables in C? So declarative statements are used to specify how much space is required to store the value of the variable. The variable is what? Variable is capable to hold the data. But when we want to store that data into memory, it needs space. Some variable needs 1 byte memory, some needs 2 byte memory, 10 bytes memory. So how much space is required for particular variable? This declarative statements defines that. So in C program, before using the variable, first we have to declare it. And the syntax for declaration is what? The general syntax. Syntax means the grammar, the rule for declaration. First part is, there are three components here. One is the storage class, second is data type, third is the variable name and semicolon. Remember, all declarative statements and imperative or action taking statements are always terminated by this semicolon in C program. Okay, so general syntax is what? Storage class, data type, variable name and semicolon. So this is the general syntax. This storage class is we will explain in later section. Storage class is basically what? Storage class basically provides these four information about the variable. What is the default value of the variable? What is the place of the variable? What is the scope of the variable? And what is the life of the variable? So these four points depends on the storage class. In C, the default storage class is auto. So we will describe this section later on. At this place, our syntax is only this data type, variable name and semicolon. Okay. So variable name is what? Variable name is identifier. Name of variable is identifier. So a variable name follows the rules of the identifier. And now data type. This data type indicates how much space is required for this particular variable. So in C, there are two types of data types. One is the basic data type or primary data type, and second is the user defined data types. So this part is also we will discuss in different separate class. At this point only remember that there are four basic data types in C. One is CHAR, second is INT, third is FLOAT, and fourth is DOUBLE. Okay, all are in this small case, lower case letters, character, int, float and double. These four are the basic data types in C. Okay. Now, on the basis of this syntax, how to declare the variables? Suppose data type is INT and A is the name of variable. So int A and semicolon. This is the correct statement for this variable declaration. So int A semicolon means A is the variable and this variable is capable to hold integer type of value. Similarly, when we write character B semicolon, so B is the variable and this variable is capable to hold character type of value. Float C, C is the variable which is capable to hold float type of value. Double D, D is the variable which is capable to hold double type of value. So this is the basic statements or examples to declare the variables in C. When we want to declare more than one variables of same data type, then we use comma operator. Suppose there are three variables, one is A, second is B, third is C, and these three variables are of integer type. So one method is what? First we have to declare int A semicolon, then in next line int B semicolon, in next line int C semicolon. Instead of writing these three lines, we simply write int A, comma, B, comma, C and semicolon. So this comma operator is used to separate the variables. It means A, B and C, these are the three variables and data types of all variables are of integer type. Okay? So A is the variable which is capable to hold integer value, B is the variable capable to hold integer value, C is the variable capable to hold integer value. So when more than one variable of same type, then use comma. Declaration means simple allocation or of the memory space, not value. Now initialization of variable. Initialization of variable means assignment of value to the variable at the time of declaration. The syntax for declaration is what? Data type, variable name and semicolon. This is the syntax for declaration. But initialization means data type, name of variable, then use this symbol. This is called assignment operator. Data type, variable name, then assignment operator, then value and semicolon. This is the syntax for initialization. For example, suppose data type is int, variable name is suppose A, then assignment operator and value is 5 and semicolon. Int A assignment operator 5 semicolon. It means A is the variable of integer type and initial value of A is what? Initial value of A is 5. Similarly, int A, comma, B assignment operator 3, comma, C assignment operator 5 semicolon. It means there are three variables of integer type. One is A, second is B, third is C. But here A not initialized, B is initialized by 3 and C is initialized by 5. Now remember one thing. When we initialize character type variable, use single quotes. Value into single quotes. It means character, suppose CH is the name of variable, then assignment operator, and suppose we want to assign capital A value to this CH. So write this capital A in single quotes and then semicolon. When we want to assign float, simple write float X, assignment operator suppose 39.5 and semicolon. It means x is the variable of float type and initial value of this is 39.5. So in this way we can declare or initialize the variables. Clear? So simple variable is what? Variable is capable to hold a value that may vary during program execution. Before using the variable, first we have to declare it. Declaration means simple allocation of space to particular variable and then assign value to the variable. So if we assign the value at the time of declaration, that is called initialization. So this is some basic concept about variables. Okay, thank you.